Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to earn miles and points faster on American Airlines. If you're looking to maximize your rewards and unlock more travel opportunities, this guide will walk you through the most effective strategies to accelerate your earning potential with the AAdvantage program. First things first, you'll need to join the AAdvantage program if you haven't already. Simply head over to the American Airlines website and sign up for free. Once you're a member, you'll start earning both miles and loyalty points, which are the foundation of your rewards journey. These points accumulate every time you engage with the program, so the more ways you earn, the faster you'll reach your travel goals. The most straightforward way to earn is by flying with American Airlines. Every time you book a flight, you'll rack up miles and loyalty points based on the distance traveled and your fare class. The beauty here is that these earnings add up quickly, especially if you're a frequent flyer. Make sure you're logged into your AAdvantage account when booking to ensure your miles are credited automatically. Now, don't limit yourself to just American flights. You can also earn miles by flying with partner airlines. American is part of the One World Alliance, which means you can book flights with airlines like British Airways, Cathay Pacific, and Qantas, and still earn AAdvantage miles. Additionally, there are select partner airlines outside the alliance that also contribute to your account. This opens up hundreds of destinations worldwide where you can keep earning. Next, consider enhancing your travel with an AAdvantage credit card. These cards are designed to supercharge your earnings. You'll earn extra miles when you use the card to book travel, and even everyday purchases like groceries or gas will contribute to your mile balance. It's a simple way to turn routine spending into future flights. Beyond travel, you can earn miles when you shop, dine, and more. American has partnerships with over 1,200 online stores, as well as select retailers and restaurants. This means your regular shopping habits can now contribute to your travel rewards. Whether you're buying clothes online or dining at a partner restaurant, those miles add up. When it comes to accommodations, you can earn miles and loyalty points by booking hotels through American's partners. Sleep well knowing that every night at a partner hotel brings you closer to your next adventure. The same goes for car rentals. When you rent with American's car rental partners, you'll earn miles and loyalty points for every rental, giving you even more reasons to choose these services. If you're planning something more adventurous, cruises and vacations are another excellent way to earn. Whether you're exploring by land or sea, booking through American's vacation partners ensures you're earning miles and loyalty points on all kinds of adventures. It's a win-win for those who love to explore. There's also the AAdvantage Events platform, which offers a unique way to earn. You can purchase tickets to concerts, theater performances, sports events, and more, all while earning miles. It's a great way to enjoy what you love and get rewarded for it at the same time. The key to maximizing your earnings is to repeat these strategies daily. Link your AAdvantage account to as many partners as possible and make it a habit to use these services for your everyday spending. The compounded growth from multiple earning streams will accelerate your progress significantly, helping you reach elite status and unlock even more benefits faster. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.